And at least 31 people have died after a series of storms across the Midwest and southern states. Storm Team 4 meteorologist Ben Gelber joins us now with a look at some of the areas that were devastated and hit the hardest. Ben?
Yeah, Kyle, the National Weather Service has already put out 5 tornado emergencies this spring compared to only 1 at this time last year because of storms like this. More than 70 reports of tornadoes from Iowa to Alabama, and yesterday Delaware and New Jersey supercell thunderstorms spawning these vast wedge tornadoes fueled by contrasted cold and warm air currents, intense wind energy supplied by a powerful jet stream. An EF3 tornado with winds reaching 165 miles per hour tore through portions of Little Rock, Arkansas Friday afternoon, damaging hundreds of homes and businesses along a 30-mile path more than a mile wide. 15 people died in tornadoes in Tennessee as the storms moved northeast. This massive EF4 tornado with estimated winds of 170 miles per hour struck a rural area southeast of Des Moines, Iowa. One of 10 tornadoes reported in that state also Friday afternoon. And then things began to ramp up to the east. Deadly tornadoes racing through portions of Illinois and Indiana, causing extensive damage, resulting in the loss of life and dozens of injuries. At least 17 confirmed tornadoes in Indiana alone. The powerful storm left its mark on western and northern Ohio. An EF1 tornado traveled 17 miles through Auglaize County, north of Wapakoneta, injuring 7 at a campground and damaging an ODOT shed. So far, we know of at least 3 tornadoes all along and west of Interstate 75. We're still waiting for the survey on the Troy tornado. And of course, Troy was impacted by a tornado last July 21st. The Wapakoneta storm, or to the north, had 110-mile-per-hour winds, 300 yards wide, and a weaker storm just across the Indiana line in western Defiance County. And of course, widespread wind damage I mentioned yesterday in the northern portion of the Buckeye State, from Mansfield all the way over to the Pennsylvania line. And that was associated with cold front as things revved up again, but that was east of us.